So now that we have multiple enemies, we're gonna learn how to use the families. So something very simple, you can create a new family and you can just say, I want the red enemy, the yellow enemy, and the green enemy in that family. And then you can name that family something like enemies. So now, if you go to the event, you can see that, let's say, that when the green enemy enter in collision with the bullet arrow, he's destroyed. Well, let's just change that by right-clicking and replacing the object green by enemies. Same thing here. You can just say that we want to replace the object by enemies. That's simple. So now every enemy I hit is destroyed. Here we say that the green enemy is going to the left. Well, now we just change that, replace object, enemies, and replace object, enemies. And now all the enemies are going to the left. I'm doing replace object because it's faster, but like if you had a new event, enemies is now one of the sprite basically. So you don't have to replace the object. You could create a new event that says when enemies are, I don't know, are created, you know. So I'm just doing, it's just faster if you replace it because we already wrote it. Same thing here. We die if we enter in collision with the green enemy. Well, now we're gonna die if we enter in collision with any enemies. So the only thing we don't want, I think, is we don't want the yellow enemy to shoot bullet as well, because it would be too hard, right? He's already facing us all the time because he's pursuing us. So I think for that we're just gonna copy that one, copy it, and then paste it, and change the green enemy to the red enemy here. That way, now the green and the yellow and the red enemy are shooting bullets, but the and we probably should have that as well. So copy it, add it, and paste it, and change that object to red as well. There we go. So I think that's all we need, is it? I think that's all we need, yeah. So now every single enemy should function the right way. Meaning if I shoot them, no matter who they are, I'm gonna kill them. And if they touch me, I'm gonna die. So let's say I kill the yellow one, just as the other one. I'm gonna get killed by the red one. There you go. So this saves us a lot of time. You can see right now I think we're gonna clean up again, because now when we group stuff in enemies, I think we have enough stuff that we're gonna group more stuff, and we're gonna learn how to move to a new layout. So let's say if I have 500 points, then I go to the second level, right? So we're gonna learn to do that soon, but before that we need to learn how to clean up a bit. Or actually I think I'm gonna do the opposite. I'm gonna show you how to do the layout, and then I'm gonna show you how to clean up and include the event sheets.